Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Supply Chain Talks. Today is the 6th episode of the 10-part series on purchase process. So far, we have gone through need recognition, need definition, supply source, and price analysis. Today, we are going to look at the 5th step of the purchase process, which is the purchase order. Once the price analysis is completed and the supplier is selected for the acquisition of the material or service, the next step in the purchase process is the placement of the purchase order. Let's first have a look at the definition of purchase order. According to APICS, purchase order is the purchaser's authorization used to formalize a purchase transaction with a supplier. A purchase order is a legal offer. Once issued by the buyer and accepted by the supplier, it becomes a legal contract for delivery of material or services as per the terms and conditions defined in the purchase order. This is why it is very, very important that all the necessary and required terms and conditions should be clearly mentioned on the purchase order. A purchase order should contain the item that is being purchased, the quantity, the unit of measure, the unit price, the discounts, the payment terms, Incoterms, other terms and conditions, delivery requirements, and quality requirements, and many other things as per the material and services that is being acquired. We shall go in detail through the components of a purchase order in the next tutorial. This concludes the tutorial on purchase order. Thank you. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below.